So, I'm here in New York City. Love coming to this place. I mean, the old school tradition, all different kinds of food, especially some of my favorite Italian. Now, I'm in the East Village, and I hear that there's an Italian joint that's been open for 103 years. 103 years! I gotta see this. This is John's of 12.
Veal meatballs.
One of the best traditional Italian foods in New York.
Bruschetta getting out.
Whenever I'm in the mood for Italian, this is where I'm coming.
For the Pappardelle, homemade Pappardelle.
I mean, come on, 103 years old?
Well, it must be doing something right.
I love that it's real and it's the way it was.
The way it started when John Pucciatti opened the joint in 1908, and the way it still is today.
Might even be something like out of a Scorsese movie.
Starring a couple good fellas, Nicky Sidnicki and Mikey Alpert. It's Nicky in the front.
Manja, manja, manja.
And Mikey in the back.
We got carbonara and sausage and peppers up on the tray.
Nikki and Mike, they're like a married couple at this point. They've been together for so long.
Table number 4.
Okay, got it.
Just go out the door, it'd be great.
How long have you guys had it?
Beginning of 1973.
Were you guys in the restaurant business at all?
No.
Never.
Stockbrokers together.
I say, Mikey, you want to buy a restaurant with me?
And I go,
You go.
yeah, why not?
That's it, except they had to learn how to run it.
I said, I'll go in there, I'll learn how to cook. So I went in the kitchen, I learned.
From the restaurant's original cookbook.
Passed down to us from John to John's son from 1908 from Bavaria, Italy, in Umbria. Did not change a thing.
Anyone who's Italian is going to recognize something on the menu and say, I used to have that when I was a kid.
Veal meatballs, polpetto di vitellos.
John's makes the best meatballs I've had since my mother-in-law made them.
Cannot duplicate it anywhere other than John's.
What are we making?
Petto di vitello, which is veal meatballs. We make it right in the house.
Vitello.
Yeah.
Is that right?
It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, you sure did. We're gonna chop up some veal.
It's frozen.
Correct.
Give me back the money, homie, you lousy piece of...
Put it on a tray.
So by having the veal meat cold, it's not gonna gum up. Go here.
Exactly. We actually coming out. Hey, fresh veal, unadulterated.
We didn't adultify this at all.
Adultify this at all. First thing we're gonna do, we have a loaf of Italian bread. You clean everything off it so you're left with the white bread. Dump it in here, the milk.
Incorporating moisture into it because the veal's kind of lean.
Has a bland taste. That's why it picks everything up. This is an egg. Now we got 2 eggs. We combine everything, we marry it. We're done. We're done with this, okay, now.
Okay, now what?
Yeah, after this, I get a towel. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I feel special, you know? This is incredible, man. Pecorino.
The sheep's cheese.
We take that, chop scallions. Now, the caramelized onions have been cooking overnight. Dump that in, right?
Some nice sugar there.
Worcestershire sauce, basil, dried oregano, salt to taste. We go 1, 2, 3. We're done with that. We do pepper, 1 1/2.
No 2 tree?
No 2, 3. Then we have minced garlic. Then we mix the whole thing up with our hands.
You feel like you're right in the middle of an old New York mob movie. You're either gonna love the meatballs or we're gonna miss you.
Drop the veal, and then the mix.
This is Marsala wine and mantequilla, butter.
You want Spanish on me?
Spanish, Italian, Jewish, don't matter. It's the good stuff.
Hit it.
Let's do it. You should take some breadcrumbs. You can go like this. Hopefully it'll work into a nice, tight mixture. Okay.
Now we're ready. Now we form it into balls.
We're gonna bake these on a cookie sheet.
You guys make cookies here?
It's now a meatball sheet. Anybody who doesn't like it, let them talk to Guy, you know? We're gonna take the homemade marinara sauce. We're gonna coat the cookie sheet, which has now become a meat sheet.
Great, so let's keep these going, and then we'll put them in the oven.
You got it.
Excellent.
The meatballs have been cooled down for a while. Now we're gonna prepare them for table service. A little olive oil, butter, Marsala wine in. This gives us the caramelization. The meatballs. This meatball's giving me trouble. What's the story, Guy? All right, now...
Talking to the meatballs. Smells killer. They ready?
They're absolutely ready. We're gonna take them. We're gonna put a dollop of the marinara sauce on the plate. 1, 2,
Who's showing off?
3, 4. Freshly chopped basil. It's good to go.
I'm gonna tell you something. That is one tender meatball. Incredibly flavorful. And this Marsala, that little bit of sweetness on the outside, never have had an all-veal meatball. This is the way to do it.
It's a beautiful thing.
It is a beautiful thing.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice
thank
job.
you.
103
Thank you
years
very
old?
much.
Wouldn't be able to tell.
There we
Doesn't
go.
look a day over 90.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's just outrageous. The way the meat is unbelievable.
They're so good that it's almost like a little sweet. Then you taste the veal. But the true test is how they handle the pasta.
There's nothing like fresh homemade pasta.
If you want great pappardelle, come here.
We'll make the pappardelle.
Pappardelle's nice and thick, kind of looks like a big fettuccine.
All-purpose flour, semolina flour, add some pepper, salt, and bind this together. Take the eggs.
Make a little well before bringing that in. We're doing this all by hand, huh?
All by hand. Dump them in. There you go.
And the yolks.
There the yolks. 1, 2, 3. The yolks are in. 4. He's a slow man. Wow.
You can do it, Rocky.
Yeah, because
Come on.
get all over
Keep
the
some
place.
in the bowl, though.
Yeah.
We'll knead it, let it rest.
Exactly.
It's had a chance to rest now.
Cut them into about 1-inch strips like this. And I flour the base here. I'm gonna press it down. I like doing it from the center to the outside.
Okay, so we start off 1. So 1's the biggest opening.
You want to hit number 3 for me? And now 5. We measure it with the length of the knife. So 1 here, and then the other one. So what we do is we cut it by eyeball. Everybody knows it's fresh-made pasta because it's not even.
It's not even. Very nice.
There's some semolina.
So it doesn't stick together.
That's
Pulls out
right.
some of the moisture. And we're gonna serve this with what dish?
The homemade Tuscan Ragu meat sauce.
Nice. A little bit of olive oil.
A little bit of olive.
So chuck and pork butt.
Correct. Okay. A couple of pieces at a time.
We crust both sides.
Right.
We put nice sear on all the meat. Now what's up?
We're gonna put olive oil in, extra virgin. Then we're gonna put the meat in.
Okay. You got hands of steel, man. I guess it was a little hot.
Okay. Let the smoke go away so we can see each other.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's important. Onion, carrot.
Celery for the sweetness, all right?
The glazing from all the meat that we see it.
Everything off the bottom of the
Everything
pan.
off the bottom of the pan. 2 cups of Marsala wine.
Okay, in with the tomatoes?
We're done. Now we're gonna add in the vegetable stock. We make it on the premises. Herbs, oregano,
That's
basil.
it.
Then what we do is we look at it, we make sure it's all in. Didn't
We're gonna
fall
look
on the
at it, you can
floor.
stare down at it?
Yeah, you know
Say
what?
something to it?
We're gonna say, you're in the pot, buddy. You stay in the pot.
Okay, so now this is gonna cook down for how much longer?
5 to 7 hours.
Now the pasta goes down?
Okay, put in the fresh-made pappardelle. Want to put the top on. Our customers like them soft. As opposed to imported pasta when you cook it.
You want it al dente.
98% want them al dente. This, forget about it. You got to do it more to the soft side. Take this off. Pappardelle pasta, that's already done. Put it in the saute pot. So we sauteed it with the tomato marinara sauce. Combine it, you marry it.
Got it.
Ready? And then we could serve it. Bada bing.
Right on top.
Right on top, take a little bit of basil, basilico, you're good to go.
Shut the front door. That meat just melts. That pasta cooked a little bit more makes a difference. It's not mushy. And the Marsala? Old school, making it happen and sticking to the basics.
I think you like it.
I'm shoveling it.
There you go.
You're gonna love this.
Here we go, the pappardelle, homemade pappardelle.
The quality of the sauce, the freshness of the noodles, everything working together.
There's nothing like fresh homemade pasta. Perfect.
This is Bo Dito. I call him Uncle Bo.
This is what we like on Sundays, a lot of meatitation. I didn't even know this joint existed.
It's been here for 103 years.
And I can't believe you got to show me in my New York City a great joint like this.
One for Guido.
The outstanding food at the end of the day, where you want to go to have your meal.
103 years. I can't believe I missed it. Just like Bo Dito, where's this been? But I will promise you, I will be back.